me personally, to sort of run through each topic that you've learned. Like after you've learned all the topics, to sort of run through each one briefly and sort of testing with yourself how you feel about it, how you think you'd go answering questions on it. And then from that, going through the questions that are given to you on about those topics. So for me, for the big external exams, I work systematically through pretty much all the topics, and doing more work on topics I didn't feel comfortable with and less on where I already was competent.
Okay, yeah, nice.
Yeah, I think, and that's sort of carried through to uni as well. Did that similar method. And I will add as well, in the uni's exams, they do permit you to take some level or amount of notes as well. So if there are
a bit more helpful than the high school exams.
Yes.
You can take some notes in. Nice.
You can have a good guess where the complex and familiar. You know, if you've done a lot of the complex and familiar questions, like in the textbook, obviously it becomes familiar now. But you can definitely pick up on certain things. I mean, you have a really good guess if you know all the formulas and know what all the variables are. Yeah, you can have a really good guess.
You can at least guess.
Yeah. So usually, you go through, look through them in perusal, sort of trying to understand what each question is on and what techniques you may have to apply, and then depending how much time you do have in perusal, to go back and sort of actually try and, if you can, in your head, be like, okay, I'll do this and then this, but not necessarily calculate it.
Okay.
Just the process.
Yeah.
And then sometimes you can just go straight through is good, or go straight through and then skip over the ones that might take more time. Yeah, and I think for the harder questions as well, trying to see what concepts they might be combining as well.
Okay.
So that sort of helps as well to make a cognitive link sometimes.
Yeah. So they might try and bring two topics together or something.
Yeah. So
Okay.
just trying to be fluid about what they might bring together.
Okay.
Definitely did help.
Nice.